Okay, so now we're going to take a look at crypto. Not looking too good. Big bloodbath out there. Remember, Bitcoin is still the leader. So if Bitcoin's going down, more than likely they're all going down. Looks like we got a bear flag on Bitcoin on the weekly. Rejected the red line, the 4-week moving average. It's still riding below that line. Not looking too good. Got the death cross. Getting another death cross, and then we'll be going for another death cross across the 200, the 50. This is the 50 below the 100, 150 here, and then the 200-day moving average over here. When the 50-day moving average crosses below those levels, it's considered a death cross. Bitcoin does not look very good. It appears to have a pennant over here, which it didn't break bullish out of, rejected right at the top. Still stuck in this pennant. I think it's going to break bearish because the momentum is to the downside. It can't even touch 40 grand. It does not look very great to me. Bit of high volume spike on the highs. Not really, but higher than other days. Okay. Low volume is bringing it down a decent amount, showing not too much price support on the downside. Starting to break below the 4-day moving average over here. Not a fan of Bitcoin right now. And if I'm not a fan of Bitcoin, then most likely the rest of the cryptos are bearish as well. The crypto is in a bear market, regardless of what people think now. The bull market has ended as far as I could see. They're all down over 20%. In fact, most of them are down 30, 40, 50, 60% from their highs. And that's quite significant. A decline of 10% or larger is considered a correction. A decline of 20% or larger is considered a bear market. Now, most of these cryptos are now in a bear market, regardless of what people like to think. There's no signs that the bear market is done as of yet in crypto. So I'd be cautious with any crypto. Like I said, Doge, big bearish head and shoulders. I would not want to be in Doge right now. It does not look great to me. Okay. They're going to need to hold this middle Bollinger Band on the daily if the bulls want some momentum. They need to hold this level, and then they need to push up on tomorrow's candle to negate potential for this bearish head and shoulders. But as of now, it doesn't look very great. Let's wait a little bit longer for this to play out, but right now I'm bearish on crypto as it is. And if I'm bearish on Bitcoin, I'm bearish on all of them for the most part because they all kind of tag along together. So I'm not going to go through all of them for that reason, because they're all kind of just tagging along with Bitcoin, and give or take, they might be up or down a couple percentage points compared to Bitcoin. But otherwise, if Bitcoin's saying we're going down, and that appears to be what it's saying to me, then the rest will likely too. So what you want to keep an eye on though, because there is some potential for the bulls, is does Bitcoin hold yesterday's low? Because it's been holding a higher low each day, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Thus far, if we break yesterday's low, that's most definitely going to be a red flag for the bulls. So we want to keep an eye on that. So long as bulls hold that level, it should be okay. But as of now, looking like it's weak. I'm going to leave that video here. Thanks for watching.